With the new Fuel 7¼ inch miter saw, it's nice because it's lighter, but still doesn't lack the power. It'll cut anything that we have, and we can carry it around with one hand.
I can grab the saw in one hand and the stand in the other, so it's extremely easy, fast, and efficient.
Just being able to plug the battery in and just having instant power right there is very helpful. The dual bevel for the Milwaukee 7¼ inch miter saw, I can make multiple cuts on different pieces. Then if I'm casing a window or mitering a top, it's nice to have both options in one saw. On that size, you can't find that in any other saw.
We can bevel that saw to do our inside or outside miters. You can cut bigger boards with a smaller blade, giving the saw more dual purpose.
The 5V battery with that saw is a really nice combination. We can cut all day with it. It'll cut through any sort of wood that you're throwing at it. It doesn't bog down.
The battery life, you could cut for a whole day and not have to worry about changing batteries. I think you could get 500, 600, 700 cuts in one day.
Yeah, everything locks in right where it should when you spin it. When it slides, it doesn't move side to side.
But the accuracy is as good as you could ask for.
The Milwaukee Tools miter saw, it's heavy duty in my mind.
Gone to every job with us, able to stand up to whatever you can throw at it. You don't realize how much you're going to use it until you have it. It's definitely a game changer.